Welcome to Chemistry 131. In this video, you will learn a little bit about how to stay safe during lab. We hope this will prove to be both instructional and enjoyable to our audiences. Thank you!
Germanium and iron, americium, ruthenium, uranium, europium, zirconium, lutetium, vanadium, and lanthanum, and osmium, and astatine, and radium, and gold, protactinium, and indium, and gallium.
For our first chemistry lesson, we are going to discuss the importance of eyewear. In the lab, you may be doing experiments that involve things either exploding or chemicals interacting and splashing. These things could get into your eyes and cause permanent damage. To prevent this, you must always protect your eyes. And remember that glasses are not enough. You must also wear your safety goggles. I will now demonstrate the importance of eyewear by mixing Mentos with Diet Pepsi. This reaction can cause an explosion. If you're not wearing eyewear, this could potentially get into your eyes and harm you. Our second lesson today is about lab contamination. Let's observe as two students attempt to mix two different substances in the lab. Notice how Nick did not rinse the stirring rod between mixtures.
Now watch as Carolyn, a gifted chemistry student, mixes the first solution, rinses the stirring rod, and then mixes the second solution.
Much better.
Now we're going to talk about the importance of wearing the appropriate footwear to lab. You can't wear open-toed shoes or sandals because if a substance were to be spilled, like an acid, you could potentially burn your feet or cause other permanent damage. So it is always important to wear closed-toed shoes. It is not appropriate to walk into lab barefoot. It is appropriate to wear closed-toed boots to lab.
Some chemicals you use in the laboratory will not be able to be disposed of down the regular drain. If you dispose of these chemicals down the drain, like Nick did, you could potentially harm wildlife in the area by polluting streams and local groundwater. Steph is showing us how to properly dispose of those chemicals in the hood using a funnel and the waste disposal jar.
Wait a minute, Steph. What about your hair and your glasses? Much better. Hey, did you get that equation?
Oh yeah, it was PV equals nRT, I think. Yeah,
Okay, yeah, that makes sense.
Wait a minute, Nick. You're about to drink sulfuric acid. That's why you should never eat or drink in lab.
Come on. Go.
Wait a minute, Steph. You should never grab hot glass with your bare hands. Always use a mitt or tongs.
Wait, Carolyn, stop. You never directly smell the chemicals like that. It's dangerous. This is the proper way to do it.
So, how was your weekend?
It was really, really good. Did you see you at that party last night?
No, oh my god, shut up.
I'm so sorry.
Let's keep this.
I hope that last lesson showed all of you how dangerous it can be to play around in lab. Remember, Horseplay is never acceptable in the laboratory.
And iodine and thorium and thulium and thallium. There's yttrium, ytterbium, actinium, rubidium, boron, gadolinium, niobium, iridium, and strontium, and silicon, and silver, and samarium, and bismuth, bromine, lithium, beryllium, and barium.